Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. More specifically, welcome back to the fourth video in a series of videos called the SolidWorks Basic Tutorial Series. Through these videos, you'll get hands-on experience with essential SolidWorks tools like sketching, dimensioning, extrusion, and cutting. So in today's tutorial, we'll be working on exercise number 4, a latch pocket. This exercise will help you reinforce key modeling techniques and improve your overall workflow in SolidWorks. With that all aside, let's jump right into exercise number 4. Okay, so this is what exercise number 4 looks like. It's a latch pocket, as I said earlier. And I think, or I imagine they call it a latch pocket because of the opening here on the top. Another component latches onto it, and there's a pocket right here, right? That's my best guess. They call it a latch pocket. Anyway, all dimensions here are fully defined and are in millimeters. So there isn't much for me to say. It's a pretty simple component. So let's copy this, create a new SolidWorks part. Let's paste this into SolidWorks. Let's position this right here. Set the background to plain white. And before we begin, let's think about how we're going to model this. I think the easiest way would be to draw the side profile here. Okay, fully define its dimensions, and then extrude. Phase 2 would be to work on the opening gear on top using the extrude cut feature. And finally, use the extrude cut tool twice to create this sort of stepped pocket right here on the component. Okay, so to start, let's select right plane, sketch, select line, assign dimensions. This edge right here has a length of 50 millimeters. This right here has an overall length of 64. And this edge right here has a length of 32 millimeters. Okay, this edge right here automatically will be 32, so no need to define it again. Right, so let's define this edge right here and set it to 25. Okay. Right, so let's extrude now. Extrude boss base. Select midplane and extrude this to a depth of 76 millimeters. Okay. Perspective. So phase 1 completed. Now we're going to work on this opening right here. So select this face, sketch, and for that we're going to select the corner rectangle and draw a rectangle right here on the top. Use the Smart Dimension tool. The distance between this edge and this edge is 19. This edge and this edge is 19. Automatically, this will be 38. And the depth of the cut or the opening is 13 millimeters. Okay. Yeah, so now use the extrude cut feature and select OK. Look at that. We're almost done. The last step would be to create this opening right here, this recess or this pocket. So we select this face, sketch, select corner rectangle, and just really draw a rectangle right here, like this. Use the Smart Dimension tool. We are going to be using, or rather defining the length between this edge and this edge to be 6 millimeters. Okay, same right here, 6 and 6. Right, so yeah, let's use the extrude cut feature again. Extrude cut. We're going to extrude this to a depth of 6 millimeters. Right here, see? Select OK. Okay, so finally, this opening right here, I'm going to select this space, sketch, select corner rectangle, draw a rectangle, like so. Use the Smart Dimension tool. Just 1 second. Corner rectangle. This needs to be all the way in the bottom right here. Okay. Smart Dimension. This length right here will be 32. This is the distance between this edge and this edge. Is 16. By default, the distance from here to here will be 16 as well. Okay. Finally, extrude cut. We're going to cut this to a depth of 6 as well. And select OK. Yeah, and that's it. We're done, yeah. So now assign a material. Metals, steel, and select cast carbon steel. Select OK. Delete this. Don't show again. Yes. Okay, so that concludes video number 4, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments if you have any suggestions for the future. Until then, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.